Talk about parrot live in jungle near Long River. Parrots are beautiful and colorful birds known for their intelligence and ability to mimic sounds and human speech. While they are commonly associated with tropical rainforests and jungles, they can be found in various habitats around the world, including areas near long rivers. In the jungle near a long river, parrots thrive in the lush greenery and diverse ecosystems. These areas provide an abundant food supply and a suitable environment for their survival. Parrots are primarily herbivorous, feeding on fruits, nuts, seeds, and vegetation found in the jungle. The presence of a long river in the vicinity further enhances their habitat by providing a water source for drinking and bathing. The jungle near a long river offers parrots a wide range of trees and plants to explore and nest in. Parrots are particularly fond of nesting in tree cavities, where they lay their eggs and raise their young. The dense foliage of the jungle provides them with protection from predators and a safe haven for roosting during the night. Living near a long river also exposes parrots to a variety of other animal species that inhabit the area. They may encounter monkeys, reptiles, amphibians, and numerous bird species, creating a vibrant and diverse ecosystem. Parrots are social creatures and often form flocks, so the presence of other bird species can lead to interesting interactions and social dynamics. The river itself serves as an important resource for parrots. Apart from drinking and bathing, parrots may also feed on riverbank vegetation or rely on the river's proximity to find additional food sources. The flowing water and the surrounding vegetation contribute to the overall richness of the parrot's habitat. It's important to note that while parrots are naturally found in the wild, they are also popular as pets in many parts of the world. Unfortunately, the demand for pet parrots has led to illegal wildlife trade and habitat destruction, posing a threat to their populations in the wild. Conservation efforts and responsible pet ownership are crucial to protect these magnificent birds and preserve their natural habitats. Parrots living in the jungle near a long river can indeed experience a fulfilling and happy life with their families. Parrots are highly social creatures, and their family units, often referred to as flocks, play a vital role in their well-being and overall happiness. Within a parrot family, there is a strong sense of bonding and cooperation. They engage in various activities together, such as foraging for food, exploring their surroundings, and engaging in playful behavior. These interactions help strengthen the familial bonds and create a sense of unity within the group. Living near a long river in the jungle provides ample opportunities for parrot families to engage in communal activities. They may gather near the riverbank to bathe, quench their thirst, and socialize with other parrots in the vicinity. Such interactions allow for the exchange of information, establishment of hierarchies, and the formation of lifelong friendships within the flock. Parrot parents are highly dedicated to their offspring. They work together to build nests, incubate eggs, and care for their young. Both the male and female parrots take turns incubating the eggs and feeding the chicks once they hatch. This shared responsibility ensures that the young parrots receive proper nourishment, protection, and guidance as they grow. The jungle near a long river provides an ideal environment for parrot families to find suitable nesting sites. The dense foliage and tall trees offer ample hiding spots and protection from predators. The river's proximity ensures a constant water source, which is essential for both the parent parrots and their chicks. Through observation and imitation, young parrots learn crucial skills from their parents and other members of the flock. They acquire knowledge about foraging techniques, identifying food sources, and communicating through vocalizations and body language. These shared experiences contribute to the social and emotional development of the young parrots and help them integrate into the larger parrot community. In addition to familial bonds, parrots living in the jungle near a long river also benefit from the rich biodiversity that surrounds them. The variety of plant and animal species present in such ecosystems provides an abundance of food sources, stimulating their natural instincts and promoting overall well-being. However, it's important to note that the happiness and well-being of parrots in the wild can be compromised by various factors, including habitat loss, illegal trapping for the pet trade, and climate change. Protecting their natural habitats and promoting conservation efforts are crucial in ensuring the continued happiness and survival of parrot families in the jungle near long rivers. Parrots living in the jungle near a long river often form tight-knit family groups, and their interactions within these groups contribute to their overall happiness. Parrots are highly social birds that thrive on companionship and rely on their family units, or flocks, for various aspects of their lives. Within a parrot family, there is a strong sense of camaraderie and cooperation. The members of the family group engage in activities together, such as foraging for food, exploring their surroundings, and engaging in play. These shared experiences foster a sense of unity and create an environment of happiness and contentment. Living near a long river in the jungle provides ample opportunities for parrot families to interact and enjoy each other's company. They may gather in the trees near the riverbank, communicating through vocalizations and engaging in playful behaviors. These social interactions serve important functions within the group, including strengthening bonds, establishing hierarchies, and fostering a sense of belonging. Parrots are known for their ability to mimic sounds and human speech, and this talent often extends to their interactions within the family group. They communicate with one another through a variety of vocalizations, including calls, squawks, and melodic tunes. These vocal exchanges not only convey important messages but also contribute to the vibrant and lively atmosphere within the flock. Parental care is a significant aspect of parrot family life. Both the male and female parrots actively participate in nest building, incubation of eggs, and feeding of the chicks. This shared responsibility allows for the development of strong bonds between the parents and their offspring. The dedication and nurturing nature of parrot parents contribute to the overall happiness and well-being of the entire family group. Young parrots learn important life skills from their parents and other members of the family group. They observe and imitate behaviors related to foraging, social interactions, and vocalizations. Through these learning experiences, they acquire the necessary knowledge and abilities to navigate their environment successfully. This shared knowledge and teaching within the family group contribute to the happiness and success of individual parrots. In addition to the social dynamics within the family group, the jungle near a long river provides a rich and diverse habitat for parrots. The abundant vegetation, fruit-bearing trees, and proximity to water sources create an ideal environment for foraging and sustenance. The availability of food and suitable nesting sites further enhances the happiness and well-being of parrots living in this habitat. It's important to mention that the happiness of parrots in the wild can be greatly impacted by threats such as habitat destruction, climate change, and illegal wildlife trade. Conservation efforts and responsible environmental practices are crucial in preserving the natural habitats and promoting the long-term happiness of parrots and their family groups. Parrots living in the jungle near a long river have the freedom to take flight and explore the vast skies above. Flight is an essential ability for parrots, allowing them to navigate their surroundings, search for food, find suitable nesting sites, and interact with other parrots. The ability of parrots to fly is truly remarkable. With their strong wings and agile bodies, they can soar through the air with grace and agility. Parrots are known for their acrobatic flight patterns, which include swift turns, loops, and even upside-down maneuvers. These aerial displays not only serve as a means of transportation but also as a way to communicate and display their vibrant plumage to other parrots. Living near a long river in the jungle provides parrots with ample opportunities to take flight and explore their surroundings. The open spaces above the river and the surrounding canopy allow them to soar freely. They can travel long distances, searching for fruit-bearing trees, water sources, and suitable areas for nesting. Parrots often fly in flocks, which adds to the spectacle of their flight. Flying in formation not only provides safety in numbers but also allows for efficient navigation and communication within the group. The sight of a flock of parrots flying together, their colorful feathers contrasting against the sky, is a breathtaking display of natural beauty. Flight also plays a crucial role in the foraging behavior of parrots. They are capable of covering large distances in search of their preferred food sources, such as fruits, nuts, and seeds. Parrots may fly from tree to tree, exploring different areas to find the most abundant and nutritious food available. Apart from practical purposes, flying in the sky also offers parrots a sense of freedom and liberation. The ability to soar above the jungle canopy and survey their surroundings gives them a unique perspective on their habitat. It allows them to escape potential predators and access resources that may be otherwise inaccessible on the ground. However, it's important to note that human activities, such as deforestation and habitat destruction, can limit the flight capabilities of parrots. Loss of habitat and fragmentation of their natural environments can restrict their movement and disrupt their ability to fly freely. Conservation efforts aimed at preserving their habitats and reducing human impact are crucial in ensuring that parrots continue to enjoy the freedom of flight. Parrots living in the jungle near a long river often find happiness in the abundance of food sources available to them. Their natural habitat provides a diverse range of fruits, nuts, seeds, and vegetation that sustains their dietary needs and contributes to their overall well-being. The jungle near a long river is a treasure trove for parrots when it comes to finding food. The dense vegetation and rich biodiversity offer a variety of fruit-bearing trees and plants that serve as valuable food sources. Parrots have adapted to utilize these resources, and their specialized beaks and strong jaws allow them to crack open nuts, seeds, and fruits to access the nutritious contents. Foraging for food is an essential and stimulating activity for parrots. They engage in searching for and extracting food items, both on the ground and in the trees. Parrots are known to be intelligent and resourceful in their foraging techniques. They may use their beaks and feet to manipulate and handle food, demonstrating their dexterity and problem-solving abilities. Living near a long river adds an extra dimension to the food-seeking adventures of parrots. The riverbanks and adjacent areas often host a variety of vegetation that provides additional food sources. Parrots may find an abundance of riverbank plants, aquatic vegetation, or even insects near the water's edge. This diversity further enriches their diet and contributes to their happiness. The availability of plentiful food sources in their natural habitat ensures that parrots have access to the necessary nutrients for their physical health and vitality. A well-balanced diet supports their energy levels, feather development, and overall physiological functions. When parrots have an ample supply of food, they are more likely to exhibit contentment and happiness in their daily lives. Furthermore, the act of finding and consuming food in the jungle near a long river can be a social and cooperative endeavor for parrots. They may forage together in flocks, sharing information about food sources and coordinating their efforts. This social interaction during feeding contributes to their overall happiness and reinforces their sense of belonging within the group. It's important to note that while parrots derive happiness from finding food in their natural habitat, human activities such as deforestation and habitat destruction can significantly impact their food sources. Preservation of their natural environments is crucial to ensure the continued availability of diverse and abundant food for parrots and to support their overall well-being. Parrots living in the jungle near a long river often find happiness in the abundance of food sources available to them. Their natural habitat provides a diverse range of fruits, nuts, seeds, and vegetation that sustains their dietary needs and contributes to their overall well-being. The jungle near a long river is a treasure trove for parrots when it comes to finding food. The dense vegetation and rich biodiversity offer a variety of fruit-bearing trees and plants that serve as valuable food sources. Parrots have adapted to utilize these resources, and their specialized beaks and strong jaws allow them to crack open nuts, seeds, and fruits to access the nutritious contents. Foraging for food is an essential and stimulating activity for parrots. They engage in searching for and extracting food items, both on the ground and in the trees. Parrots are known to be intelligent and resourceful in their foraging techniques. They may use their beaks and feet to manipulate and handle food, demonstrating their dexterity and problem-solving abilities. Living near a long river adds an extra dimension to the food-seeking adventures of parrots. The riverbanks and adjacent areas often host a variety of vegetation that provides additional food sources. Parrots may find an abundance of riverbank plants, aquatic vegetation, or even insects near the water's edge. This diversity further enriches their diet and contributes to their happiness. The availability of plentiful food sources in their natural habitat ensures that parrots have access to the necessary nutrients for their physical health and vitality. A well-balanced diet supports their energy levels, feather development, and overall physiological functions. When parrots have an ample supply of food, they are more likely to exhibit contentment and happiness in their daily lives. Furthermore, the act of finding and consuming food in the jungle near a long river can be a social and cooperative endeavor for parrots. They may forage together in flocks, sharing information about food sources and coordinating their efforts. This social interaction during feeding contributes to their overall happiness and reinforces their sense of belonging within the group. It's important to note that while parrots derive happiness from finding food in their natural habitat, human activities such as deforestation and habitat destruction can significantly impact their food sources. Preservation of their natural environments is crucial to ensure the continued availability of diverse and abundant food for parrots and to support their overall well-being. Parrots living in the jungle near a long river are fortunate to have plenty of food sources available in close proximity to the river. The combination of the lush jungle environment and the nearby river creates a habitat where parrots can find an abundance of nourishing food. The jungle near a long river is teeming with plant life, including numerous fruit-bearing trees, flowering plants, and vegetation. These diverse plant species provide a rich array of food options for parrots. Fruits such as berries, figs, and palm fruits are often found in abundance, offering a nutritious and delicious food source for the parrots. The proximity to the river also brings additional food opportunities for parrots. The riverbanks and surrounding areas may support various aquatic plants and grasses, which can be an important part of their diet. Parrots near the river may also have access to insects, small invertebrates, and freshwater crustaceans that thrive in or near the water. These protein-rich food sources can supplement their diet and provide essential nutrients. Parrots living near a long river have the advantage of being able to observe and exploit the seasonal variations in food availability. They can take advantage of the fruiting cycles of different trees and plants, ensuring a consistent and varied food supply throughout the year. They may also benefit from the nutrients carried by the river, which can contribute to the health and growth of the surrounding vegetation. Foraging for food becomes an engaging and stimulating activity for parrots in this environment. They can explore the trees and plants in search of ripe fruits and edible vegetation, often moving from tree to tree or branch to branch. Their keen eyesight and sharp beaks allow them to identify and extract the desired food items with precision. The availability of plenty of food near the river contributes to the overall well-being and happiness of parrots. A diverse and abundant food supply ensures that their nutritional needs are met, supporting their physical health, energy levels, and reproductive success. When parrots have access to plentiful food, they are more likely to exhibit contentment and a sense of satisfaction in their daily lives. However, it is important to note that environmental factors such as deforestation, pollution, and climate change can disrupt the availability of food sources for parrots in these habitats. Preserving the natural balance of the jungle and protecting the river ecosystem is crucial in ensuring the continued abundance of food for parrots and maintaining their overall happiness. Parrots living in the jungle near a long river often grow up within close-knit family groups, which play a crucial role in their upbringing and development. The group family structure provides a supportive environment where young parrots learn essential skills, socialize, and form lasting bonds with their relatives. Within a parrot family group, both parents are typically involved in the care and upbringing of their offspring. They collaborate in tasks such as nest building, incubating eggs, and feeding the chicks. This shared responsibility allows for a strong and nurturing environment, ensuring the proper growth and development of the young parrots. As the young parrots grow, they learn from observing and interacting with their family members. They acquire vital life skills by imitating the behaviors and actions of their parents and older siblings. These skills include foraging techniques, vocalizations, and social interactions. The family group serves as a natural classroom, providing a safe space for learning and exploration. Socialization within the family group is crucial for young parrots. They engage in playful interactions with their siblings, engaging in activities such as chasing, wrestling, and practicing flight skills. These playful interactions not only contribute to their physical development but also help them establish social bonds and learn important communication cues within the group. The presence of older, more experienced parrots within the family group provides valuable guidance and protection for the young ones. Adult parrots teach the younger members about potential dangers, such as predators or poisonous plants, and how to avoid them. This guidance enhances the survival skills and overall well-being of the young parrots as they grow up in the jungle near the Long River. Growing up within a group family structure also fosters a sense of belonging and companionship for parrots. They develop strong emotional bonds with their family members, creating a support system that lasts throughout their lives. The family group provides comfort, security, and a sense of identity for each individual parrot. Living near a long river in the jungle further enhances the family dynamics of parrots. The river serves as a natural gathering point, where family members can meet, communicate, and engage in activities together. The proximity to the river provides additional opportunities for shared experiences, such as bathing, drinking water, and exploring the riverbank vegetation. It's important to note that the family structure and dynamics of parrots can vary among different species. Some parrot species may form large communal groups, while others may have smaller family units. The specific social behaviors and group dynamics depend on the species' natural history and evolutionary adaptations. In conclusion, parrots living in the jungle near a long river have a diverse and abundant environment that provides them with food, shelter, and social interactions. This setting offers a picturesque backdrop for observing and appreciating the natural beauty and fascinating behaviors of these remarkable birds. In conclusion, parrots living in the jungle near a long river can experience happiness and fulfillment within their families. Their strong social bonds, cooperative behaviors, and the lush environment of the jungle contribute to their overall well-being. By appreciating and preserving their natural habitats, we can support the ongoing happiness and thriving of these remarkable birds. In conclusion, parrots living in the jungle near a long river form family group that contribute to their happiness and well-being. Their social interactions, cooperative behaviors, and shared experiences within the family unit create a sense of unity and contentment. By understanding and protecting their natural habitats, we can help ensure the continued happiness and thriving of parrots in the wild. In conclusion, parrots living in the jungle near a long river have the privilege of taking flight and exploring the skies above. Flight enables them to navigate their environment, search for food, communicate with other parrots, and experience a sense of freedom. Preserving their natural habitats is essential to safeguard their ability to fly and maintain their natural behaviors in the wild. In conclusion, parrots living in the jungle near a long river find happiness in their ability to locate and consume a variety of food sources. The diverse vegetation and plentiful resources in their natural habitat contribute to their overall well-being and contentment. By preserving their habitats and promoting sustainable practices, we can help ensure a continuous source of happiness through abundant food for these magnificent birds. In conclusion, parrots living in the jungle near a long river enjoy the advantage of plenty of food sources. The combination of diverse vegetation, fruit-bearing trees, and the proximity to the river provides them with a rich and varied diet. The availability of ample food contributes to their well-being, vitality, and overall happiness in their natural habitat. In conclusion, parrots living in the jungle near a long river grow up within group family structures that play a vital role in their development. The family groups provide a nurturing and supportive environment where young parrots learn essential skills, socialize, and form lasting bonds with their relatives. This familial upbringing contributes to the overall well-being and happiness of parrots as they navigate their lives in the jungle near the Long River. Thanks, you for watching. I wish you good health.